Hello and welcome to day 114 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. When working with automation, you often need to modify or extract certain text from the inputs that you have got, like extracting email address or formatting phone numbers, or sometimes removing extra spaces. And this can be tedious. So we can use text formatter available in Pabbly Connect. Now this is also available in Zapier and Make in different formats. Today we will explore how to convert text to uppercase or lowercase, extract specific words or phrases from the text, format phone numbers, and remove additional spaces. By the end of this video, you will be able to transform messy data into structured information just with a few clicks. Let's dive in. Now let's understand how do we use text formatter. Okay, for that I'll come to iterator and let me search for text formatter. Okay, you can see that it is a free task. Any inbuilt functions that we have in Pabbly Connect is free to use. You can use it as many times as you want in your automation. They'll not be counted as tasks, right? So action event, we have text basic formatting. Okay, as we can see, it helps you to format a text string like capitalized, lowercase, word count, etc. So I'll set that, click on connect. We can give the string here. Okay, let's say for example, I'll go to iterator and I'll give Ritesh. Okay, now instead of capitalize, I'll use lowercase and the output will be Ritesh in small, right? I can also make it as uppercase, right? Everything will come in caps. So you can do all sorts of formatting that you need if you want to use this one, right? We can go to the next one, which is extract pattern. Okay, this will allow you to extract specific text using regular expression. Okay, so you have to give regex expression. I'd say you can use ChatGPT to get the regex expression and use it over here. Okay, so if you click on connect, then it will ask you what is the text, right? Let's say for example, we use this one, right? And we can give a pattern. If we need an email address, then we have to use a pattern, something like this one. Click on save and send test request. And you will get all the email addresses added in that particular text, right? So this is how you use regex expression. Okay, likewise, you can extract a lot of things. You can use ChatGPT to get the pattern. Let's come back. Next one is find in text. You can see if there is a specific text available in another text. For example, you can see if there is a keyword used in any particular text, right? So you can use this one, click on connect, and let's say for example, text is again this one, and I'm going to search if we have support@ritesh7.com available here or not, right? Click on save and send test result. Okay, you can see that we have found it, okay, and at 387th character, right? And if I use some random text, click on this one, you see that find, it says -1, which means it's not available. Okay, so the next one is replace text. You can use similar concept, right? So have this, find what, let's say support@ritesh7.com, right? Replace it with, let's say abcd@ritesh7.com. Click on save and send test request, right? So wherever we had support@ritesh7.com, it will be replaced with abcd@ritesh7.com. Okay, you can see it over here, right? So that happens for the entire text. We can do the next one, which is split text. Okay, again, the same concept. You have to give the text, you have to tell where do you want it to be splitting, and it will split and give you different values. Okay, text parser. Text parser is used to parse a text by giving text match after or text match before, right? So you can use this for text parsing. You can also truncate it. Okay, which means truncate shortens the given string and adds ellipse at the end of the string. Okay, so you can truncate the string wherein it shortens and adds 3 dots at the end of the string. Okay, based on how you want it. So connect. Alright, you can give a text. Let's say, for example, this one. Let's go with this particular thing now. Okay, max length, I'll put 10. Right, skip characters. Enter the value to skip characters here. It will skip the first n characters in the text. I'll leave this empty to begin with. Append ellipsis. Right, append ellipsis text. Enter the append ellipsis text here. It will add this text at the end of truncated string. Right, so here I can add. I'll leave this also empty for now. I'll click on this one. You can see the output is type dot go dot dot dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So along with 3 dots, it's 10 characters. Okay. Now if I make this as 20, then you can see the output comes as type.googleapis.c dot dot dot. Now, if I go to skip character and put 2, you can see the first 2 characters will be skipped. It starts with PE instead of type. Okay. Now, finally, if I say here I want question, 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 then instead of the 3 dots at the end, it will append with question mark, question mark, question mark. Right. So this is truncate for you. Likewise, we have URL encode, decode, default values, URL parameter encode, HTML to markdown, and so on and so forth. These are slightly complex. We will not cover during this video. Once you do this text formatting, you can use it in the next steps. Okay, so you will get the formatted text as input for the next steps. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. And that's how easy it is to clean, extract, or modify text data. No more wasting time fixing data manually. Now, here's a challenge for you. Try using text formatter in your own automation and share what you have built in our NoCode community. I hope you have joined the community. If not, the link is in the description below. Tomorrow, we will move to date formatter in Pabbly Connect, where we will check how do we format date from one time zone to another, or extract only the date, ignoring the time, and so on, so forth. That's all for today, and I will see you in the next one.